Hello, and welcome to Hummingbird Botanical YouTube channel. Hummingbird Botanical, home of the 100% natural herbal products. Hummingbird Botanical products are all 100% natural with no additives or preservatives. The Hummingbird Botanical products are grown and processed out of Jamaica, West Indies, which has been known to have the richest alkaline soil on this side of the Western Hemisphere. Hummingbird Botanical was founded in 2011 after the founders, one which had the clinical research and a PhD, evaluated the discrepancies with meat products used for food consumption and natural herbs that also sustain life. The findings from this investigation led to the formulation of Hummingbird Botanical's herbal products. Currently, the 4 herbal products that we have has a significant history behind them. We introduce to you the pain relief, the detox, Medina, and the Moringa leaf, all which are grown and harvested in Jamaica, West Indies. Please stay tuned and subscribe to Hummingbird Botanical YouTube channel, where we will continue to provide you with updates on all our herbal products while we interact more freely with the public. The conversation will be based on bettering health, healthier living, and supporting each other in the pursuit of a more fulfilling life. Thank you for listening and subscribing. Dr. Ulysses Jackson, PhD, Team Hummingbird.